Hello folks, welcome to my channel World of Achievers and do not forget to subscribe. In this video we are going to discuss about how to choose our right career option. You may be a 10th, inter, degree pass students or at any level of education. After following the easy steps which I am going to discuss in this video, I can assure you that you can achieve your dream career. Let's begin. I am going to explain 5 steps towards choosing the right career option. First step comes what you want to become. Firstly, fix in your mind what you want to become. Self-talk is the best way of knowing what you want to become. If you want to become engineer, doctor, entrepreneur and so on, make that as your primary goal. Then you also think about why you want to become due to its prestige, profit and other factors. Next comes research. It is very important. Research about what you want to become. Make a detailed research about your career. It is a good practice to jot down the important points along with your research. Take help of internet for your research process. The questions included in your research are how you can become entrepreneur or any dream career. What are the various groups courses to do which help in achieving our career? What is the financial amount required to become and achieve the dream career? Research about top colleges or courses which you want to join. What is the value of that career? And so on. Take help of your elders or seniors. Ask them about their career and know the advantages and disadvantages of that career option which you are choosing. Experience is the best teacher. Remember that. Know the total process from first to last in detail. Third step, make a mind mapping or flow chart. Make a clear flow chart for your dream career so that you can know what to do in the correct time. It is also helpful in better understanding. Make it simple and cover total process. And next, fourth step comes start doing and motivate. After all thing is ready, start doing the tasks that help in achieving your dream career. It is very important step. Without doing, we can't achieve our dream job or career. In the process, we have an ups and downs, but have a direct motivation, which helps you in achieving and hold the success. The motivation may be the prestige or the profit from that career option. And last and simple step is evaluate and reward. After everything is done, evaluate yourself. That is checking whether you have done everything correctly at appropriate time and achieved the success. And it is also important to reward yourself for all your efforts made to achieve the career. It is a good practice to evaluate and reward yourself. If you follow these 5 steps perfectly, I can assure you that you can achieve your dream career. I made various videos on career, health, education, productivity and so on. Do watch it. And thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel.